Hello students, let us see this question here. A pulse of light of duration this is absorbed completely by a small object initially at rest. The power of the pulse. So here the W, if I assume the power here, so that is given in the question, that is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 watt. Okay, and the duration of the pulse, that is T, is given here 100 nanoseconds. So 100 into 10 raised to power minus 9 second. Okay, and the speed of light is given. All right, so the final momentum of the object it is asking. Initially the object is at rest. Okay, so I will say here P initial, right? This is the momentum initial of the object is 0. P final will be how much? So the finally the momentum will be provided by this pulse of light. So let us calculate what is the pulse of light, the momentum of pulse of light. So here I will say the energy of the light will be equal to W into T, because power into T will give you how much energy of right, how much energy the light is containing here. So it will become 30 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is the power, into the time is 100 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So obviously we will get here 3 into, this will become minus 12, this is 3, so this become 10 raised to power minus 9, because 100 and this will become 10 to power 3, and this will become 1 here, and this will remain. So this is the, so this is the energy you are getting, and that will get in joule obviously. So this is the energy which is being contained in the pulse of light. So what is the momentum? So the momentum associated with this light energy will be equal to P is equal to E upon C. So that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 9, and the speed of light, as you all know, 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So from here I can say this will get cancelled out, and this will go upside. So it will become 3 into 10 raised to power minus 17. So this is the momentum you are getting. So this is the momentum associated with the pulse of light. And you are saying this pulse of light is completely absorbed by the object. So whole momentum is transferred to the object, because when the light will get absorbed completely, then the final momentum of light will become 0. So it means whatever the momentum was associated with the light, that will get absorbed with the object. So the final momentum of the object will be exactly equal to this. So I can say here final momentum of the object is 3 into 10 to the minus 17, because the all momentum of light is transferred to the object. So this will be the final momentum. So the final momentum of light only it is asking. So see which option is coming here. 3 into 10 to the minus 17. In SI unit only I have calculated here, because everything I have taken in SI unit. So the answer will also come in SI unit. So this is also SI unit, and so option is this. So option C will be the answer. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.